steel base. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36 inches. A depth, 28 inches. In height with legs, we have 26 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be the undercarriage, and the measurement for the carriage or shelf, we have 29 inches in length by 21 inches in depth. Table along with undercarriage thickness, we have 2 inches. And the distance from the bottom of the table towards the carriage beneath, we have a distance of 8¼ inches. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off, and located on the left corner will be the NSF certification. Coming to the top of the base, along with the left, right, and back will be a lip that will surround and protect the equipment that you're placing on top. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.